actually trying to introduce my best friend King Rey.
Hey!
Yeah, he's old. Never mind. But
I'm very old.
He's 99 years old.
No, I'm 100.
You should be good right now. Okay, so I have this slime case, and it has unicorn, glitter, butter, glow in the dark, fish bowl, foam. That sounds very good. Stuff it has inside. So, starting off, we have clay. We have the containers and the caps. We have some glitter and I think this is for snow and eyeballs.
Can I see?
No. We have glitter and like little things, items. We have the measuring cup. We have the activator and food coloring and stuff in there. We also have white glue, clear glue, and another clear glue. See?
Can I hold it?
No. 1, white glue, 2, and clear glue. 3.
What is clear glue?
Clear glue is a color that you just could see it, but it doesn't have color.
Okay. I didn't know that.
Because you're dumb.
Shut up.
And this is glitter. Glitters.
Can I touch the glitter?
I don't think so.
Let me touch the glitter.
It's going to get over you a lot.
Let me touch the glitter.
I have this.
Let me touch the glitter. Hey, can I leave? Oh, she's coming.
Better relax because I'm trying to say something and you don't let me, big nose.
Sorry.
Oh. Sorry, guys. We just I don't want to speak. So glitter means that it has very shiny colors and it could get sticked on your hands because last time I used glitter for my slime and it sticked on my hands. Well, you know that we have this nice thing. I'm going to open it up. We have this nice purple color. Then we have these giggly eyes. So many tiny giggly eyes. Then we have the snow one. Isn't snow, make your own snow, just add water. Watch it erupt. You only have to add in water, so I'm gonna, a little bit of water, so I'm gonna add in water. So I'm gonna get a little container. Container. We're adding this in. I just made a mess. Now, I'm gonna pause it for one.
Hey, Shanelle here. Oh, she's coming.
I'm back, and I just made this nice, cool snow. It feels very nice. And I'm gonna take it out. I need something from here. Does anybody have a scissors? Never mind. Nice, this is, yeah, that's what. Super cool. I really like this though because I think it's cool too. Super nice. So good. Can somebody bring me a glass of water like that? Could add in more. I think I just made a mess. But it's okay. Because I think it is. So I'm gonna add it into a little container. There's a little container right there.
I heard you need a glass of water.
Thanks.
Here's your water. I hope you enjoy this one.
So I'm gonna add in some of this glitter. Like glitter, everything makes sense. Not really everything, because sometimes you don't want to add in glitter in weird colors. Ray, you're back?
Yes.
Why can't you just snap
I
out?
want to see what you're doing. I like seeing.
Well, you don't
Make me be a red one.
know.
I'll pay you money.
I don't even want money.
I'll get you money.
Never mind. I think this is coming up soon. I need it to be like.
I have cash. Now let me see.
I still don't want the cash.
So give it.
So you not try to.
I like money.
I just did these snows. They do not get wet. They don't get. They don't dry out. But these are just like. These are just like soft. So now I'm gonna make another slime. I'm gonna make something with clay. And these are my ingredients. That's all I have. It's so good. Okay. I love this. So nice. I don't even want to do nothing on it. It's a nice I told you to leave. Who are you screaming at? I'll add glitter on you.
You hit me.
Because you bother me. I'm going to add let's keep it glitter. Bring glitter. This is the glitter world. Come to my world and you'll get a lot of glitter seasons.
Who wants to see my bald spot?
Nobody. Why do you have
Look
hair?
at my bald spot.
Why do you have hair when you're bald?
I don't know.
You have hair outside, but you're
Look at my bald spot.
But you're bald inside. So dumb.
You see it?
So you shave your head.
Yeah, I shaved it.
Good, cause you look better.
Thank you. I shaved my beard too. You like my mustache?
The beard was better before. The mustache is
Quiet.
The
I love
mustache
my mustache.
is too ugly. The beard is better.
I made a song. My mustache, it feels so good whenever I do it. I like it, I like eating peppermint. I forgot how to make it.
I don't know. This is so beautiful. People, you should come to me. I'll give you half of this. Well, I'll make you one.
And you make me one?
No, make your own. You know how to make slime.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Every time that you want to make slime, I have to teach you. I teach you like 1 billion times.
I forget.
Well, I'm not helping you.
I'm leaving.
Good. You know what? I'm not adding these because they'll make it worse. What do you guys think? It'll make it worse or better? Well, hold on.
My mustache.
Can you be
I
quiet?
remember my song. I want to sing, so let me know. Are you doing your slime or your smell?
A clay.
Can I touch?
No. Stop, Ray.
Let me touch it.
No.
Please, I never tried clay.
Why don't you buy yours at the store, Clay?
Why?
Do you have money?
I'm rich.
So why don't you go buy clay and make your own slime then?
Because I don't want to waste my money.
So get a job and you don't.
I just said I don't want to waste my money.
Get a job and you have more money.
You're my mom.
No. So you want me to put glitter on you?
No.
So I can't touch you.
Oh. I farted.
And I love this. Look at that. Oh, I farted. Guys, I just made it with glitter, and I also made these like little stripes of glitter, and I want to mix it up, so I'm gonna mix these up first. Oh, ew, I don't think glitter that much. Oh, look at that. Put it next to camera, please. Nice. How about this? Never mind about that. I'll clean it. So, time to open. So I'm gonna open this one up. And I got the same colors because I wanna put them like they are. I think I should. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love it. It is so super crunchy. Now we're going to do white. Nice white color. So now we're going to mix it up, and these are such good colors. First of all, we're going to mix it up with this. No, Ray, stop.
I just wanted to play with it.
No.
It looks so good.
No.
You hate me.
Because you bother me a lot.
But I'm your best friend.
What does it mean to bother me and take my stuff?
Sorry.
I forgive you. You can play with it.
Yay!
But don't make a mess. I'm doing literally a whole big mess.